Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to disable Control Center in Redmi Note 7 Pro running MIUI version 12.0.1. So this is my Redmi Note 7 Pro device. So let's start. So guys, when I swipe down from the top middle, let me do that. You can see I have this Control Center. So let me close this because I want to show you some more things. Let me swipe up. Okay. And also guys, when I swipe down to the left of top middle from here, you can see I have this notifications. So let me close this by swiping up. And also when I swipe down to the right of top middle, you can see I have this Control Center. So in this tutorial we are going to disable this. So let's start. So let me close this by swiping up. So in order to disable Control Center in Redmi Note 7 Pro, what you need to do, you have to open your settings app. So here is my settings app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys, it's opened. And also guys, let me show you first that I have MIUI version 12.0.1 installed on this Redmi Note 7 Pro. So let me tap on this about phone. And you can see guys, here I have this MIUI version. You can see I have MIUI Global 12.0.1 installed on this Redmi Note 7 Pro. So let me go back. So in order to disable Control Center in Redmi Note 7 Pro, what you need to do, you have to open your settings app, and after that guys, you have to scroll down to this notifications and then tap on it. And after that guys, you have to tap on this notification shade. And after that guys, you have to tap on this Control Center and the status bar, this link. I'm tapping on it, and you can see I have this Control Center and status bar screen opened. And after that guys, you have to come to this status bar, this section, and in this section you have to come to this use new Control Center, this option. You can see I have this currently this toggle enabled, so you have to disable this toggle next to this use a new Control Center. So just tap on this toggle and move this slider to the left. So let me tap on this, and you can see it's now disabled. After that, you can close your settings app. So let me close that. So let me swipe down from the top middle. I'm swiping down. You can see guys, we have this previous design back where we have this quick settings panel and the notifications. So let me swipe down to the right of top middle also. So let me close this. I'm swiping down to the right of top middle, and we have this previous design back. Let me swipe up. In order to close this, let me swipe down to the left of top middle. You can see here we have this previous design back, and the Control Center is now disabled. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.